What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a little bit of a overland camping setup if you guys are on a budget. You don't have to get everything that I do have here today, but it's awesome what I have to offer. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start off in the back of the truck. I am super excited about this. That's why I'm starting in the back. So you guys have probably seen a lot of videos on it, so I won't touch too deep into it. My BESTOP SUPERTOP and my AIRBEDZ air mattress. This is a good combo to have because you could have utilized this setup for a lot of things and you could always fold it down. I'm gonna go ahead and show you something else that you are really gonna need if you do go on overland trips. I don't know about you guys, but I like taking showers. So what I have here, and this honestly is like super budget. There's better ones out there, of course, but I'm trying to make this as a budget video. So this is basically just a pop-up kind of tent, but to shower or to change inside of. It's also a good thing to have any type of camp shower. This one was super cheap. It's kind of flimsy. It might mess up in time. I would highly recommend getting either a water port or, as for me, I do have a rinse kit. So stay tuned for that video. I will show you guys exactly what that is. But for me, I have a rinse kit to go with this. My quick shower for whenever I'm out for a couple days. This is for the back. Let's go ahead and move on to the front.
And we're rolling.
All right, so another cool thing to have whenever you guys go on like overland trips or camping or anything like that, it's really good to have something like this. So basically what I have on top of me is just a YesCom awning. This was honestly super affordable compared to the other brands out there. It's been working for me fine. There is different sizes which are bigger. To run something like this, you are of course gonna need a roof rack. So I have the PRINSU roof rack, which that comes in handy because I could put max tracks up there. I could put tools or many other things up there. So that's another essential to have. Another top essential to have whenever you guys are out camping, overland trips or anything like that is honestly have a headlamp, have a flashlight, have multiple flashlights if anything. That way at night you can see. I will be showing you guys right now, I do have a Coleman lantern, and believe me, that for the campsite, it's bright. Another cool thing to have, and this is to protect yourself, is something like this, which is just a little knife. This is super affordable, a little tactical knife, and that's it. It has to break windows, cut many things. Damn, I just cut myself. Also, you might want to have maybe bear spray, pepper spray, anything like that, just in case. I mean, you don't want to harm the animals, but hey, if they're gonna attack you, you got to kind of protect yourself. All right, so now that we talked a little bit about the back, we talked about if you need to go to the restroom or a shower or anything like that, what I use, which is super budget. I showed you guys what I use for shade. I'm gonna go ahead and show you just something on cooking. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes if you guys stay out weeks at a time or days at a time on an overland trip, you guys do get hungry. So for that being said, I do have a little camping kitchen, and this thing is seriously awesome. It's super budget. No joke, it's about $100. So I have my Coleman grill on this side right here, and it's super handy. I mean, it's a 2-stove burner. You could cook anything you want on it. It is gonna take a little bit longer than an actual like campfire, but this is a lot more safer and it just looks cool, to be honest. Next, of course, like I stated, I do have the camping kitchen. So it comes with the table, it comes with a trash bag off to the side. It comes with a pole here, so you can go ahead and hang your lighting. I do have a Coleman light. It's awesome because it does have sections here where you can go ahead and place maybe your ketchup or other essentials for cooking. It also comes with this little thing here. So basically what this does, it opens up and you can go ahead and put your towels on and just stick this on just like that. Super simple. Like I said, this thing is super affordable, so I highly recommend it. So it does come with a little wash tub to go ahead and wash your dishes or anything like that. The dishes that I do have today, I got these at Walmart for like 10 bucks, I believe. It comes with 4 plates, 4 spoons, 4 forks, and 4 cups. They're pop-up cups, so they're folded down right now. I do have some extra ones that I got off of Amazon, just in case. In the wash tub, it doesn't come with a sink or anything like that. But once again, the rinse kit from rinsekit.com, which is the one that I do have, I would highly recommend it because it would work out in this situation here. You could go ahead and wash your dishes with it, or like I said, it has a lot of functions, so stay tuned for that video. If you guys do go camping or overland trips or anything like that, please make sure, if you guys go to campsites or just anywhere you guys go, make sure to clean up after yourself. All right, so just remember, leave it better than the way you found it. So yeah, so that's basically it for here. I do want to carry a ice chest. I just have a little mini one right here. You could buy these at Walmart, Costco, anywhere like that. So this is just for like your sodas. Of course, you could always purchase a bigger one. I also have a cutting board just in case I have my meats or I want to cut some apples. It's another cool essential to have. And all this is seriously super affordable, like it's no joke. Another essential to have, honestly, is a fire starter, just in case you do want to start up a fire, like on a campsite. Like I said, I do highly recommend using this, but this is also handy just in case. Having a little handy lighter. That's what it's called, handy lighter. I think this was like $1 or $2, super cheap. They're awesome thing, and this goes for car camping, truck camping, SUV camping, just anything in general. It's always good to have one of these little repel things or anything, just anything that can help you with insects, bugs, stuff like that. When you guys are out in nature, you're gonna see a lot of mosquitoes, you're gonna see a lot of just random weird insects. So it's always good to have something to repel that. That way you don't get bit and come back home with the disease or sickness. So those are just a little basics to have. Everything's attainable. Most of the stuff that I do have is like seriously on a super budget, and it looks cool. It's awesome, has a lot of functions. It's been working for me for a while now. Nothing's broke yet. So yeah, if you guys do want to purchase any of this, mostly everything that I do have links for, I'll make sure to link it down in the description box below. Please stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.
Action!
What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be talking a little bit on overland camping setup and something I forgot what I was going to say.
Go!
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start off on the back of the truck. This is gonna be something, like I said, that anybody can attain. It's not gonna be super. I caught myself, wait, what do I do? All right. What happened? What was that?
The shower fell over.
I was like, I heard that.